Hello guys, today I'll be reviewing this specific humidifier that I bought it for my wife. Hopefully she will love it. Humidifier becomes essential, especially when a winter approaches or any other time of the year when the air gets really dry inside the home or inside your house and you need something to moisturize the room and keep your skin nice. Also your breathing and your health, overall condition of your health can be on top form. Anyway, so bought this, thought maybe I should show you guys and how I pick my humidifier. Some essential things to note when buying a humidifier, guys, is I don't usually, when it comes to electronics and appliances, I don't usually purchase them from Amazon, eBay, or any other website, because those products that are sold in Amazon and eBay and other Shopify websites is usually private labeled. If you know more about private labeled, what these sellers do is they private label them, so they have manufacturers in China manufacture those electronics or appliances or whatever, and they put their brand on the products and they sell them for business. But I don't rely, especially when it comes to appliances and electronics, I don't usually want to buy a private label products because they are not branded. What I mean by branded is that you have companies like Philips or IKEA or Vicks or other company, like this one is Vicks, so they usually do all the inspection, and they have been in the industry for decades, so they know what kind of factories and manufacturers to deal with, and they do all those hard job and inspection and making sure the top quality of the brand is maintained. So all those things are done by this company, so you don't have to worry about a humidifier or appliances or electronics that will only last you weeks, months, or who knows, even days. Anyway, I would suggest that stick with the branded products when it comes to electronics and appliances, so that it can serve you well and can last you long also. This humidifier specifically is filter free. Let me see here, filter free. There's two types of humidifier. One comes with a filter, the other one comes without the filter. I picked this because filter free humidifier requires less maintenance and less servicing, and it runs perfectly fine. I would suggest use distilled water, bottled water, or even tap water is fine. And you can use essential oils in it. For this one, it comes with Vicks pads. Let me see if you can, guys. Here you go, it comes with Vicks pads. Some features in this humidifier, it's as you can see, let me show you, it emits cool mist instead of hot mist. It's filter free, and it can run up to 30 hours on average, depends on your usage and how high or low that you put the indicator on. And it contains 1.2 gallon capacity. That's pretty good. Alright, so let's unpack this and see what's inside and all the features. On top of the box, it just has some quick startup guides. It comes with a manual. And I was told that inside the manual it has some, it has the vapor. Yes, it does actually. So the manual comes with some coupons on, and there's a back also. Yeah, so it just comes with some extra coupons, and let's see. Comes with the vapor pads that you can use. Cool. This is the humidifier. Put this here. There you go. That's pretty much. Inside is empty. Pull this out. Alright, so guys, this is the humidifier. It's very easy to use and operate, and one thing I like about this humidifier is it comes with a handle. It's a lifesaver when you want to quickly replace the tank with water. Cleaning it and emptying it, it's very easy. So all you have to do is just use the handle up here and pull it out. That's the bottom part. This is the bottom part of the tank also. So one thing I think I like about this humidifier is you see the cap for the tank or the reservoir is nice and big actually. So I think it will be really nice to clean. See, even my whole hand fits inside. I can clean the way that I want it, because over time molds and other gunks pile up on the tank, which can become really unhealthy for the air that you breathe. So as you can see, it has no filter. That's the best thing about it, so that you won't have to service and change filters all the time. Okay guys, so this is the indicator here, and this is the bottom. I will go and fill the water in the tank, and then we'll test it out. Alright guys, so I just filled the tank with the water, and make sure that your lid or the cap is well secured and locked. So now we're gonna test the output of the mist it produces. Oh, by the way, on the side, as you can see, this panel here, that's where you insert and place the Vicks pads if you want to. It's not a need. Alright, we'll turn this on and we'll see. Yes, it's a success. It looks great, guys. You can see there's a knob on top here. You can switch it whichever direction you need to or want to, depending on your needs. It looks good, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully it was the video was some sort of help to you guys choosing the type of humidifier that best suits you and your family and your needs. Thank you, and see you in a different video. Thank you guys.